Did you watch it, please?
You're getting $2. How do you know? Open it and you're getting $2. 3. No, 4. $4.
It says, scoop up the fun and special 4-year-old desserts. Happy birthday, love Grandma and Grandpa England.
And how much is that? 4. Yep, 4.
2. Oh, she's counting backwards.
5. I have a lot. You have $4.
$4. Okay, what else is in the box, Amy? Oh, wow, that is awesome.
Ooh, you got a jump rope.
Cool.
I got my jump rope for me.
And a pretty
dress.
skirt. Oh, what is this, Amy?
And a crown. I mean, look what these are. Look at that.
Grandma knows what 4-year-old little girls like. Can you say thank you, Grandma?